Hello, my name is Dr. Kristjan Thompson, and I'm president of Doctors Manitoba. I work as an emergency room physician at St. Boniface Hospital, and as an ER doc, I unfortunately have seen the sickest of the sick of COVID-19 patients. And sadly, I've even had some patients die from this horrible illness. And that's why I'm among many physicians who were disappointed to see the lifting of the mask mandate from the province's pandemic restrictions. Now, granted, the risk of COVID-19 has decreased in this province, and that's because people are going out and getting vaccinated. But that risk is not zero. A fourth wave could come very soon to our province. How soon and how severe really depends on the actions, on the decisions made by you, by individual Manitobans, by our businesses, and our government in the coming weeks. And our province is still extremely vulnerable to COVID. Children under the age of 12 still can't get vaccinated against COVID-19. And that means 63% of Manitobans of all ages are fully vaccinated. Now, that's not anywhere near where we need to get to reach herd immunity. And that bar, that threshold, just keeps rising as we see more transmissible variants emerging. And truth be told, our hospitals still haven't fully recovered from the third wave of this pandemic. Having a surge from a fourth wave means more surgeries are going to get canceled. It means that our ICUs are going to get overwhelmed again. And we might have to start transporting patients out of province. And we don't want that. And that's why today, doctors are urging all Manitobans to be cautious and to take strong steps forward to avoid a serious fourth wave in this province. And so Doctors Manitoba has several recommendations. The first is that everyone should continue to wear masks in public indoor settings, especially when that location is not limited to vaccinated people only. Second, businesses that continue to require masks and take other precautions should be applauded, not criticized. They're making a commitment to protecting their employees and their customers. So thank you. Third, the proof of vaccination cards should be used much more widely, at least in the short term, to create more opportunities for fully vaccinated Manitobans to gather. Fourth, and most importantly, we need a commitment, a strong commitment from health leaders and government that at the first sign of a potential fourth wave, that the mask mandate and other restrictions will be reintroduced without delay. And this could be using either a regional or a provincial approach as deemed necessary by public health officials. We don't want Manitoba to experience a fourth wave. That's a given. And we're seeing it in other jurisdictions, especially in the United States, this Delta variant, very contagious, leading to more serious illness. And in some areas, we're actually seeing record cases, record hospitalizations among children and youth. Too many Manitobans have already died from this disease. So many of us have ended up in hospital, have suffered, have had loved ones suffer. Many are living with the long-term complications following COVID infection, long COVID. And so we need to ensure that our families, our friends, our loved ones don't get added to these numbers. Now, Manitobans have truly earned the opportunity to reconnect with family and friends this summer and really just see the best our province has to offer. But while you're doing so, please Please follow the public health recommendations from Dr. Rusin and his team. And please follow them even if some of the recommendations are no longer reflected in the government's pandemic restrictions. And so what does this mean? This means wearing a mask in indoor public settings. It means washing your hands, staying home if you're sick, and most importantly, get vaccinated. If you're not vaccinated, speak to your doctor. You can also get trustworthy information and find out where to get your shot from ManitobaVaccine.ca. The vaccine is our ticket out of this. Get the shot, wear a mask, and let's just get through this last stretch together. Thank you.